Hey friends, this is Wendy with Cannin Plannin, and I'm excited to be hopping back in for day number 24 of our Craft With Me challenge for February 2024. Today, I'm so excited because my Easter kits finally came in, so I can start playing around with them today. And so today we're going to make an Easter ornament. It's going to look like an Easter egg, and it's something that you can hang on a branch or something for a centerpiece decor. You would probably want to make a lot of them, but we're going to make those today. So let's take a look. Right, you guys, if you have never seen the Deco kits, let me kind of tell you what's in them before we get started. This is the Let's Be Friends Deco kit. It comes with 2 pieces of plain cardstock that's 8.5 by 11. It has 6 pieces of double-sided paper. Let me show you what those look like really quickly. I've cut out some of them, so I'm just going to show you the top 3 because they're the same. So here are the 6 patterns that we have. Those are the 6 patterns that we have, and it comes in those 6 pieces of paper. And then we have 5 die cuts. So here are the 5 different die cuts. So cute, little chicks and bunnies. There is a sticker sheet which has the 2 journal card quotes on it at the bottom in sticker form, and then 2 card envelopes. That's what comes in this kit. And you will see that I already have some things laid out here. So we're going to go ahead and get started with that. You probably saw my face just then. All right. Here's what you're going to need. So I took an Easter egg shaped cookie cutter, and I made myself a stencil so that I can use it over and over again. I don't have to have my cookie cutter out. Then I stenciled all 9 times, this stencil 9 times on 9 different pieces of paper. Now I used these pieces, so you can see they're like randomly cut out in different places. Okay, for you to be able to use. So I'm going to show you what to do next. You're going to also need an adhesive and some glue dots and a ribbon. Okay, that's what we're going to need for this. So we're going to take it from this point, and we're going to take each one of these egg shapes, and we are going to fold them in half, as close to half as you can get them, each one. And as we do this, oops, wrong way. You're going to want the design that you want to be showing to be the part that you fold into the center for each one of your hearts. Eggs, each one of your egg shapes. I don't know what made me say hearts just then. So we're going to do each one of our egg shapes. We're going to fold it in half. Again, the design that you want to be showing the most, you want to be on the inside as you are folding them. Okay, that one's really pretty with the 3 flowers. And this one. And then our last one. All right, after you get them all folded, now we're going to start putting them together. And you're going to see, as you're doing it, you're going to want to put glue on just one side at a time. And we're going to butt them up against each other and press it like this. Okay, and we're going to go around in circles like this. I just have to make sure that that's how I want them to go together. Oops. And we're going to do this one like this. Oh, it's already taking shape. Love it. Okay, then I want this one next. And then we're going to do this one next. So you see how we're putting these together kind of like an accordion as we go around. So we've got a couple of pieces on there already. Let's do this one next. Yeah, this one next. And then we're going to do a puffball. We call those dandelion poofs at my house. Dandelion poofs. Oops. That one didn't want to go on straight. There we go. Okay, we're getting there, getting there, getting there, getting there. And then we're going to take this one. We're almost there. And then the last dandelion poof. And we're going to stack that one on top as well. Okay, so now you have something that looks like this, all the little shapes put together. And now we're going to put a, we're going to do glue on this side, the full side, but, whoops, I don't want to stick it to the desk yet. But I'm going to grab a glue dot as well because I want the glue dot to go right in the center. And I'm probably going to grab 2 of them because what I want to do is I want to stick the, I want to stick the piece of ribbon in there. So we grab a piece of ribbon and we're going to cut it and then we're going to loop it because that way you can hang it. And we're going to put it right down the center of this. And then we're going to fold that last piece around so that it connects. And then we're going to kind of fluff it around like so. And you have a cute little Easter egg ornament that you can hang on a branch, or you can put it on something fun that you're doing for a gift tag or something like that. A cute way to be able to showcase those papers. So there you go, you guys, a cute little Easter egg ornament. Can't wait for you to try it out. If you have enjoyed this video, please feel free to share it out with others and join us back here for day number 25. Bye, friends.